In today's video, we are going to be showing you how to stack our magnetic lashes on top of each other so that you're able to completely customize your lash look whenever you want. So of course, as you guys know, we have tons of different lash styles and really from very, very natural to super duper dramatic, but maybe you're in love with two of our lashes and you can't choose. Well, stack them on top of each other to create a whole new lash look. What's awesome about stacking magnetic lashes is you do not have to deal with glue. Because our liner is magnetic, all you have to do is apply one of our magnetic lashes, choose another lash, and apply that one on top. It's that simple. You do not need to worry about getting messy glue all over your own lashes and your other false lashes. This is honestly the best way to stack lashes in my opinion, and it's so simple you'll never want to go back to trying to stack glue lashes. This is super fun and there's so many different ways you can do it, but today we're going to be showing you 3 different ways you can stack our magnetic lashes. Just to quickly go over how to stack them, it's as simple as putting one lash on and putting the other lash on top. That's it. So first up, we're going to be stacking Cheeky and Baby. Both Baby and Cheeky are accent lashes, but when you combine them, you get a little bit more volume and a little bit more drama on that outer corner of your eye. Next up, we're going to be stacking Flashy Lash on top of Baby Lash. Flashy Lash is super duper wispy and it has some length, but when we're adding Baby to the outer corner of it, we're kind of like creating more of a cat eye effect and really kind of enhancing the drama that's happening on the outer corner of our eye. Of course, stacking lashes is just going to add drama in general because that's kind of the point, but what's so cool about it is you completely can change the shape of the lash or the shape of the lash look that you're going for. Like I said before, Flashy is super wispy. It's tapered on both ends, but when you add Baby to the outer corner, it kind of adds that cat eye look. So you get to completely change the shape of the lash look that you're going for. Next, we're going to be stacking Wifey on top of Baddy Lash. Wifey Lash is that tapered cat eye, and Baddy Lash is tapered on both ends of the lash, and then kind of like longer towards the center of the lash. So when you combine the two, you get that cat eye look, but still a lot of fullness in the center, which is what I love about it. So that is how to stack your magnetic lashes, and we hope you liked some of the examples that we came up with, but you guys, there are a million different ways to do this with our lashes, and we encourage you to have fun with it. Have you ever stacked your lashes? Let us know down in the comments below. Have you ever even heard of stacking your lashes? Did you not know this was a thing? Because honestly, for a long time, I didn't know it was a thing, and when I learned about it, my mind was blown because you can just completely customize your lash look. It's amazing. We hope this video was helpful, but if you're interested in seeing which of our lashes is best for your eye shape, you can check out this video right here where we go through all of the different eye shapes and which of our lashes is best for you. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up down below, and you can subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos. We'll see you in the next one.